Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Tech Hunter.
Hello guys, welcome back in my another video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can convert MS Word document to a PDF file very easily and for free. So to convert a Word document to PDF, you can use two methods. First one is if it's available in your Windows, there is a plugins to convert Word to PDF and it's already available in your Windows. What you need to do? Just simply go to File, it's in your Start menu here, and then go to Save As. Here select a folder where you want to save your PDF file. I want to save it in my desktop. And here now type in name of your PDF file and then change Save As type to PDF format. And click on Save, it will save as a PDF format. Okay, let me check out it in my desktop. Here's the file. I'm gonna open it. And as you can see here, it is converted successfully as a PDF file. But if you don't have PDF plugins in your Windows operating system and you don't see PDF in Save As type, there is another method to convert a Word file to PDF. That's for open a browser, which one your favorite, and here search for free PDF converter. Okay, open this first link from free PDF converter. Okay, after open this website, you can see something like this. So here you will get an option to upload your Word file and it will be converted to a PDF. Okay, just click on choose file. Then select your Word file, which one you want to convert in PDF. Suppose I want to convert this file. It will be upload, wait some time for it. And finally you will get a download option. Just click on download. Now if I open it, as you can see here, it's converted to a PDF file. I hope those methods are very helpful for you to convert a Word file into PDF. To get more this type of videos, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share. Thanks a lot for watching.
Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Tech Hunter.